guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's Lynceeluv here and welcome to another vlog. Today we will do another unboxing, and this time it's courtesy again of Shenzhen Tianya Paper Products Company. Yes guys, we did another unboxing before from them, which was a beautiful jewelry set inside the gift box from the said company. This time it's something else. So let's open this box, guys. You ready? Alright guys, so this one comes with a bubble wrap, alright, to protect the box that we have inside. So I just want to let you know guys that this product came all the way from Netherlands. Okay, this is the box of chocolate that I actually chose for them to send me. So I'm really hoping that the chocolate is still okay. Alright guys, from Netherlands to Canada. There we go guys. Look at that box guys. It's so beautiful. So that's the front. That's the side. I'm sure some of you are familiar with this chocolate company. Alright, we are here to talk about the box and the chocolate company. Alright, so as we can see guys, this is a high quality gift box, right? Beautifully made and has an elegant appearance, giving us that feeling of like, oh, I want to open this and try the chocolates inside. All right guys, so why don't we do that? Go ahead and open this box. So this box guys is also secured by a plastic wrapper. There you go, right? How do you call it? Plastic wrap. And the good thing about this box guys, like in here at the front, we can see the name of the company of the chocolate, and it says here Swiss luxury selection, and even just outside the box we will be able to tell what are the different kinds of chocolates inside, right guys? So it says here exquisite selection of milk, dark and white Swiss chocolate masterpieces. Guys, so there's the chef at the back looking happy. Okay. And as mentioned, these are the different kinds of chocolates that's inside. So there's a diamond de cafe, there's macchiato, caramelita, and so on and so forth. Don't we just go ahead and open it and try some of it? Alright guys, so that's the inside part of the box. Okay, looks like it has a barcode right there, nice and clean. But then again guys, you can always customize the box according to the business that you have. Okay, so there's a paper there, you know, that will tell us what kind of chocolates are inside, what they are made of, and again it's covered with this to make it look elegant, right guys? Nice gold cover. All right, so as mentioned, this chocolate came all the way from Netherlands guys, and as you can see, all the chocolates are nice and intact, right? They have their individual spots and they all look good. Oh, they all look perfect. Look at that guys, they look so nice. So which one are we gonna try? This one, this one, which one? All right, how about we try this? All right, this one with a star, because we are all star, right? So good. Mm-mm. Mm. Very good chocolate, guys. How about we try another one? Since it is month of hearts, I would like to go for this heart-shaped chocolate. All right, guys. Hmm. The outside, guys, is so nice and crispy, and inside so soft. Mmm, so good. Hmm. All right, guys. Wait, I can't talk. This chocolate just melt in my mouth. It tastes so delicious and moist. The packaging is really able to preserve the quality of this chocolate, guys. So going back to the Shenzhen Tianya Paper Products Company, as I mentioned in my other vlog, which I will also add in the description below. This company, guys, has been around for more than a decade and has been providing excellent services, known for their high quality products and incredible delivery time. Customer satisfaction is their valued priority, with top-notch printing equipment and finest inks, which makes printing a worthwhile experience. So Shenzhen Tianya Paper Products Company is aware of the fact that custom printing products are vital for every businesses, and therefore they make sure that printing products such as for food packaging like this one, beauty box, hat box, jewelry box like the one that I got before, electronic packaging, hair boxes, chocolate box like this one, shipping boxes, corrugated boxes are done in high quality. In fact, they provide services from entrepreneurs to small businesses and large corporations. So if you will click the link below, guys, of their website, you'll get to see that, okay? All this information that I'm telling you. So whether you're a large corporation in need of small run to test the market, or a startup who needs a small patch of folding cartons for your new product, they have you covered with exciting, vibrant, and affordable options. They have service clients from local startups, guys, to global brands. So if you're looking for an innovative way to boost up your sales, connect with Tianya. I will put all their links in the description below and let them know how they can assist you. You can either call them or email them. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks who are always there supporting me. Thank you so much. Wait, let's try another one before we end, okay? How about this one? All right. Thank you, Tanya, for this box of chocolate. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.